Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and this week's video is going to be a little different. I am not going to go through my Sunday get ready for church ritual. I have a couple of unboxings, technically two, and I'll tell you why I say that in a minute, and then a what fits. So I think I am going to start with one of the unboxings, but it's really not. It's an unbagging, and this bag is going to go back. I found a bag at TJ Maxx that I had to stop and stare at for a minute because I thought that TJ Maxx was actually carrying Coach bags. And let me show you the bag that I'm referring to. So I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It will be going back. I only bought it for illustrative purposes. It's not a bag that I want to keep, but I figured that showing it to you would be much easier here at the Duck's Nest than trying to take pictures at TJ Maxx and inserting it into a video. So this bag is by, the American Leather Company. And look at this, you guys. This looks like a Rogue shoulder bag. It just, the shape of it, I've never seen another bag shaped like the square Rogue. So here is the American Leather Company bag. It has no feet, but it has an additional zip on the back. And the strap drop, let me bring up my Rogue. So here's the Coach Rogue in the color nude pink, and here's the American Leather Company Rogue. You'll see that the strap drop is almost identical. The hardware on the Rogue, of course, is better than the hardware on the American Leather Company bag. Let me bring it in. And the entire reason that I'm making this comparison and showing it to you is for those of you who may want the Rogue silhouette without the Rogue price. So here is the Coach hardware, the American Leather Company hardware. And the Coach strap and the American Leather Company strap. And then they both obviously detach. The Coach Rogue, of course, has rolled handles. We all know the Rogue, but just wanted to show you the differences. This Rogue has rolled handles. This American Leather Company bag does not. That's why I was saying that at the beginning. It reminded me of the Coach Rogue shoulder bag. So it has the outside pockets, and the Rogue has the outside pockets. The Rogue has the zip function for the main compartment. And the American Leather Company bag does not have the zip function. It only has a single one-way zipper. Here's the interior, and this bag has in the main zippered compartment an additional an additional zip on one wall, and then two slips on the other wall. And unlike the Coach Rogue, the American Leather Company Rogue has an additional outside zippered compartment that's pretty spacious. My phone is my pseudo phone. Easily fits. And this bag by American Leather Company, this is a very soft leather. The quality is obviously not where the Coach Rogue is. However, this bag is on, can you see that? Only $79.99. So if you perchance are looking for, I'm sorry, this bag is also very, very lightweight compared to the Rogue, which of course has thicker leather, heavier hardware, so of course it's going to be a heavier bag than this one. However, if you want to experiment with the Rogue shape and features without the Rogue price, this might be an option for you. This again is by the American Leather Company, and the price is $79.99 from TJ Maxx. And the outside pockets have magnetic closures. And unlike the Rogue, it is not an all leather bag, but again, it's only $79.99. So that might be an option for you. All right, now on to this bag. This is my Coach Parker, and this is the bag that I carried today when I ran my errands and went shopping. And this is, gosh, I want to say, you guys, this is my first or second time carrying this bag. I have all these bags at the Duck's Nest, and I am determined that I'm going to carry every single one before I carry for the second time. So if I have carried, which I have not because it still has a price tag, but if I have carried this bag once, I will not carry it again until I carry all the bags that are at the Duck's Nest, because as you probably know, as handbaggers, we have our go-to bags. I don't really have a go-to bag, but I do have bags that I pick up over and over, and I had to stop that because I was finding myself not carrying most of my bags. Yeah, so I made myself pick up my Parker. And let me tell you all, I got so many compliments on this bag. I happened to go into the Coach store today, and I got compliments in the Coach store. I stopped by Stein Mart. I got compliments from 3 different women in Stein Mart about this bag, and I honestly think it's the color. This is such a denim-friendly color, and it has just enough of a dress feature to not be a plain bag. But let me just show you really quickly how she's packed, because she is packed out. So in the back pocket, which is really too tight for my phone, I shoved the elephants and mastodons in the back pocket. And then the turn lock, there is nothing in this front slip. This is how she's packed. So glasses case, my Anushka cosmetic case, and of course the wristlet that holds my smaller wallet and my coupon pouch. So there is also nothing in the center zip except a pin. So even though this bag was tight, she did hold everything that I needed her to hold. And to be honest, you all, she was not heavy. I did carry her double shoulder over my shoulder, and she was really not unduly heavy, and she's smooth leather in the color cornflower. So this is the bag that I carried today when I ran my errands, and I will not carry her again. I will have to pick another bag because I need to put all my bags in rotation. All right, so now on to the unboxing. And this bag, I broke my bag ban for. Those of you who follow my channel may know I've been on a bag ban since, I want to say August. I honestly can't remember. But I had a couple of bags on my wish list, and one of them just popped onto I Love Dooney at a really good price. So yeah, I had to take a flight from the island and go over to the mainland and buy this bag, and it may surprise you. So let me show you. I did. I started unboxing. And I have not seen this bag, so we are seeing it together. I've only ever seen it online. And I'll tell you why it was on my wish list after I show you the bag. So this is a Dooney & Bourke backpack. It's called the Ronnie, and it was packaged nicely. No torn open boxes or dented boxes or mutilated boxes. And she looks like she is not a return because here is her pedigree paper. And of this lot, there were 56, I think, in this lot, and this one is 52 of 56. Her original price was $298, and I got this when ILD was having the $129, I think it was the must-have, or at least that's what I'm calling it. And trust me, I must have this one. And the reason that I wanted this particular backpack is because it is made of Cabriolet. It's from the Cabriolet collection. I, as a Dooney & Bourke collector, do not have any Cabriolet in my collection. So I had to pick her up. She has leather corner patches, a very generous front zip with the endless braid, and of course the beautiful red lining. And if I could find one of my phones. You'll see that my phone fits easily in this front pocket, which I am ecstatic about. I am also ecstatic about the fact that I'm reading this Cabriolet. You all can't see that. It's a Cabriolet pamphlet that came with the Ronnie backpack. So she, in addition to this very generous front pocket that goes all the way to the base of the bag, and you will see the Dooney duck there. It's in the color black. She has zip function, and she has webbed adjustable straps, which I'm really happy about because as we all know, the web straps are very comfortable. I'm not 100% crazy about the color because we all know this tan color will soil, so I will have to probably, I don't know, I was gonna say wash, but I'll have to stain treat probably these light colored straps. And then there is an additional pocket on the back that this pocket goes all the way to the other side and it stops here. So another very generous pocket that will hold my phone easily, or any other mini electronic that I need it to hold. But I have not even carried this, and I'm really, really happy. She is, let me see, 6 inches at the bottom, and she is about 13 inches in length and about 10 inches in width. So pretty nice size. So she's, get all the stuffing out because I really don't think I'm going to return this. I'm just loving everything about this backpack. And I did not have a black backpack. And you know what's funny is a year ago I don't even think I had a backpack in my collection because I wasn't a backpack girl. But after I bought my first backpack, and then I bought a taupe or a gray Coach cross grain backpack, I was in love with the whole backpack silhouette. So here she is on the inside, and again, zip function. She opens really wide. She has a webbed key keeper and SDS, standard Dooney setup. Even though she's a backpack, she has a zip and a slip, and there is the Dooney logo patch. And then she has 2 slips. Everything is collared in leather, you can see there. So a really nice bag. Leather top handle, Cabriolet material, which is a cloth. And I'm not sure, I have to read this since Cabriolet is new to my collection. I'm not sure if it's treated or if I need to treat it, but I'm sure this little pamphlet will let me know. So there you have it, handbaggers. My beautiful Dooney and Bourke black backpack in the color black in Cabriolet cloth with phenomenal outside organization. And I think that is all that I wanted to share with you all. Thank you so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest. And as always, happy carrying.